welcome to NTT Data Client Conversations. My name is Henrietta Lacey-Gutzel. With me here in the studio is Letizia Lastra. Letizia looks after and manages our UK sustainability practice. Letizia, for you, what does sustainability mean? Why do you think it's important?
Well, I think it's important because it has an impact in our daily lives. So actually, we can already see, and we will see more if we don't take action on that.
Also with me is Claire Williamson. Welcome, Claire.
Thank you. Thanks so much for inviting me to be part of this exciting discussion, exciting and important, as you were just mentioning.
It's such a pleasure to have you here. This week, we're talking about sustainability and how businesses are bringing sustainability to life with the help of NTT Data. In today's story, we have a client who runs a family-owned bank in Italy, and they have put sustainability right at the heart of their business. We're going to take a look at how they're bringing it to life within Banca Mediolanum.
Banca Mediolanum is a very special bank because they put sustainability as a core value for the bank, and they're developing all the new projects and services with sustainability drivers. So they are really trying to be, say, culture shifters and influencers. Hi, I am Maria Vittoria Trussoni. I'm a technology strategist and sustainability champion in NTT Data Italy. Demand is changing, so in order to keep driving value for the stakeholders, you need to understand what the new concept of value is. And in 2021, value does take sustainability into consideration. So consumers and customers really are caring about this topic, and they're changing their demand. So the offer must change.
It's the time to show that a bank could be really sustainable. And be sustainable means being generative, generate values for stakeholders. Hi, my name is Gianluca Randazzo. I'm head of sustainability in Banca Mediolanum. Share value is really important, is relevant, of course, but you have to think about all the other stakeholders. This is the idea. If you put in the center the stakeholder, the person, everything changes. For example, for humanity, we decided to found a foundation, Mediolano Foundation. Since 2005, we look after kids, and we help more than 118,000 kids all over the world. This is more than money that we can count. Flow is a new bank that Banca Mediolanum launched. It is for young, value-driven people. Already in the first year, we planted more than 38,000 trees, and in the meantime, we offset more than 2,000 tons of CO2.
The objective is to apply the same rigor that yesterday was used for financial reporting to ESG reporting. So it's not just to show how virtuous you are, but it's also to have key insights in order to understand how well you're doing and take actions in order to improve. So as a strategic driver for future decisions. In the last few years, we worked as a team to build a strong knowledge on sustainability in order to be able to apply not just our technical skills, but also our passion in order to make a difference.
Hello, welcome, Gianluca.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you so much. And to Maria Vittoria. Hi, Maria Vittoria.
Hi, nice to see you.
Can you tell us a little bit more?
Last year, we had the chance to work together on an internal project that was rolled out in Banca Mediolanum, which is called Bonus Pool. While working on this initiative, we had the chance to introduce in these projects sustainability drivers. And let's say our relationship evolved with the results you could see, let's say also in the video with the scoring model that would allow the evaluation of the projects that we were building with the teams with respect to ESG and sustainability standards, and give, let's say, a synthetic KPI to check their impact.
Why do you think it's such an important topic for you and at Banca Mediolanum?
You have to be responsible about the effectiveness of your doing in relationship with the other stakeholder. So this it is. And in my place, here the lights for reduction of consumption, they are switched off. By the way, I think you can see.
Sustainability in action. They're reducing your electricity consumption.
Okay, lights went back. And sustainability and innovation is for a reason, for humans. Because of course we are in this world, of course there is environment, but humans, they have to take care about everything.
On this journey that you've taken, what has been your biggest kind of learning?
Many things. I learned one thing, that I have to be patient. We can't change the world, the mindset of people in a rush, you know? I need to take with me the people and give them the results of their actions.
Maria Vittoria, talking a little bit more about the link between sustainability and banking.
Banks need to somehow reply to this higher demand for sustainable products, which are not just retail products, but is also, for example, in the credit I receive or in the investing products I'm buying. So the link is, on one hand, in my opinion, is to reply to this higher and higher demand from the people. But on the other hand, is also in how you promote new products and services for the final client.
May I add something?
Of course, please do.
There's a lot of regulation coming out from European Commission about sustainable finance. You know, because we have to sustain, we have to give money to the sustainable economy, and this is one of the most important things that we have to do.
Letizia, with your sustainability hat, do you think regulation is helping to drive the sustainability agenda?
Well, I think it's putting pressure, a lot of pressure in all the institutions, but I think on the other hand, and we will see more, that more standards in other norms will be built. And it will help as well, because then we will have like a unique view of all the indicators and that all the financial institutions need to report and all the companies need to report as well.
What were some of the challenges and difficulties that you faced in the program around implementing and designing this ESG dashboard?
When you have a KPI for evaluation, you have to have the correct data to measure it and to say, you know, if the KPI was measured correctly. So I think these were the two biggest challenges. The one, you know, dealing with the people to put up the correct team and the correct skill set. And on the other hand, to be really able to manage data, to collect data, and to use data to bring insights.
You mentioned a really critical point there, which is around skills. And I think a lot of us are seeing that there is a skill shortage, particularly there's words around a war for talent. And sustainability is a very important part, I think, of how an employer attracts the right talent to the organisation.
Employees want to work in a company who has a purpose, who really embrace diversity, who wants to have a positive impact on environmental. So it's all about, I guess that right now, all about sustainability, and we really need to see actions and from a company perspective as well.
Great discussion on sustainability, skills and talent. How is it getting socialised as relevant to each job across organisations?
I agree with Gianluca saying that this is cultural, and I mean, each one of us is an influencer and can, you know, contaminate another employee of the company by, asking if they want to join your project or if they want to work with you on something and study something with you. And so, I mean, this is how the oil has spread in the company.
I'd really like to say a huge thank you to our guests, and thank you all for watching. It's been such a pleasure.